Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a neon sign / logo. I'm going to use the Off-White logo as an example. So Off-White logo PNG for a transparent background. I'm going to use this one, drag it into Photoshop. Boom. So first of all, I'm going to change the background color to like a dark gray, just so we can see the neon more. So that's B on the keyboard for brush, and then go into color selection. Cool, so next we're going to create a new layer. So you go to this plus box down here, or you can go to layer, new layer. On this layer, we're just going to create the stroke. So click P on the keyboard, and this is going to be for pen tool. Then we're just going to go around the shape. If you've got a straight shape like me, a tip is to hold shift and click, and that'll give you the straightest lines you can get in Photoshop. So I'm going to do that now. Then command enter, and you'll get the marching ants to complete the shape. Then we're going to go to edit, stroke. I have this preset to about 30. Make sure the stroke's in the center. Make sure it's white, click OK. So there we go. Now we're going to do the exact same for the shape below. So again, we're going to need a new layer. So there's the plus down here, and then we're going to do the exact same thing again. Edit, stroke, 30 inside, okay. So now we can get rid of the original layer, change the visibility by clicking on this eye here. Cool, so now we're going to go back to the layers with a stroke, go down to this FX button, and we're going to go to outer glow. I have this preset as well, so you can just copy all the settings I have here. I have this on screen. This is what normal looks like. It's a bit darker, you probably can't really tell, but I have it on screen. Then I have my opacity at 35. So this is the color code if you want to copy it, the exact color I'm using. And then I've got this on softer. This is what precise looks like. It's a bit more, the edges are more straight basically. So I don't think it looks as natural. So I prefer to use soft. Cool, and then we've got the spread on 28. If you can change the size around. I'm just gonna leave it at this, is around 67. Range is on 50, and jitter at 0. Then click OK. And then we're gonna do the exact same for the other stroke layer as well. So outer glow, click OK, those settings already be saved. And yeah, that's pretty much it, how to create a neon glow effect. I'm just gonna add in the rest of the pieces I want to on here, just to complete it, and yeah. So yeah, hopefully that was helpful. You can use this to create a logo or whatever you want to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.